Hello. So yesterday during Zoom, we did some work with our decimal system cards, the thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the units, and we built some 4-digit numbers. So I thought I would show you on video as well, because at home it might look a little different than when I do it on the screen. So here I have all of our numbers, and I have them stacked in order. So we have our units and our tens and our hundreds and our thousands. So at home it would be best to have them in order all the time. That's how we have them at school too. The kids learn easily from the order. So I'm going to lay out all my numbers so we can see them. Of course, these are a little harder than the ones at school. It wouldn't hurt if you wanted to back them on cardboard to make them a little sturdier, or maybe print them out on cardstock to make them thicker, but it's entirely up to you. So lay them all out, and then lay out the tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, and then our hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then our thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Okay, so to build a number, just ask your child to bring you, say, bring me 5,000. So let's find 5,000. Pull this up a little. Okay, and then maybe ask for 300. Let's find 300. And how about 6 tenths? And what about 8? 8. Get 8. So we have 5,000s, 300s, 6 tens, and 8. Now I suggest putting your numbers further away, but for sake of space, mine are right at the top of mine. So we got 5,000. We can start stacking them. 300s, the 6 tens, and the 8. And then you can just tell your child, you brought me 5,368. I don't necessarily expect them to be able to read the number, but they can try to say it with you. It's great, but just say the number for them, 5,368. Okay. And then have them bring all of those back, and then you can keep asking them for other numbers. And you can start building them up. Maybe ask for 2 numbers. Can you bring me 2,000s and 500s? So hopefully they get you 2,000s and 500s. And then you can say, can you bring me 7 tens? 1. 7 tens and 1. And then, so we have 2,000s, 500s, 7 tens, and 1. Then we can stack them all on together. And you can say, you brought me 2,571. And they can bring those back. Eventually, hopefully, you can say all 4 numbers at once, and then they can get you all 4 numbers. But, you know, if you have to do it one at a time, do it one at a time. If you can start doing 2 or 3, that's great. And then eventually, hopefully, you can do all 4. And then another video, I will show how you can do both the numbers and the beads together.